This is my group, fantastic people. They want to sing, they want to dance in the bus. They want to go everywhere. Hi everybody, how are you doing? Woo! Fantastic. Vous allez pouvoir suivre ce voyage avec notre groupe. Aujourd'hui, bienvenue à toutes et à tous. On a le plaisir de voyager avec des passagers du Princess Cruise. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome at this video. Oh, comment allez-vous? You speak French?
A little bit.
A little bit. Comment allez-vous is enough, you know?
Okay.
And je veux manger. I want to eat.
Yeah.
Don't forget, je veux manger.
Raw fish.
Raw fish, yes. Very good, raw fish. Where are you from? Where are you from?
From Vietnam.
Vietnam. How? I have a good friend born in Hanoi. My friend's born in Hanoi. Yes, and he's a very good singer, karaoke singer. Yes. Hanoi. Comment?
Carol Kim. Si. Her name is Carol Kim.
No.
Carol.
No. He's not karaoke. Yeah, very good singer too. Thank you. How are you today?
The only famous shop.
Where are you from?
California.
California? Where in California?
San Francisco Bay.
San Francisco Bay. Welcome.
Paradise.
Yes, another paradise. We love San Francisco. We love the people there. And there is a fisherman wharf. Oh, wow. Thank you for coming in Tahiti. Thank you. Thank you. How you doing?
Good.
Where are you from?
We're from Seattle.
Seattle.
Yes.
You come with the first flight from Seattle. You know that Air Tahiti go to Seattle for the first time this week.
Oh.
There is a way from Seattle straight to Tahiti with Air Tahiti. This is the first week.
Nice.
Yes, so
Very nice.
you can tell to everybody in Seattle to come to Tahiti, just one flight.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Hello. How you doing? Bonjour. Woo. Where are you from?
Los Angeles.
Los Angeles. Where in Los Angeles?
Close to Riverside.
Close to Riverside. Okay, I've been many times to Los Angeles. No, because I love Mickey. I love Universal Studio. I love
All the tourists.
all the tourists. Yes. No, but when I go to Los Angeles, I'm a tourist. Huh? So, and you are here because it's a honeymoon, wedding anniversary, anything?
Just
No.
wanted to just get out of California.
Get out to California.
As quickly as possible.
Beautiful, thank you. Hello, everybody. How you doing? Bonjour.
Je m'appelle Jane. Ben.
Ben, like me.
Like you.
Ben are the best.
Yes.
I know why you choose Ben. You know,
I chose it. because
all
he
the
was
Ben are very, very cute people. Yeah. So where are you from?
Sydney.
Sydney. Oh, we have people from Australia today. Beautiful. Thank you for coming here. Yes.
Nice to meet you too.
Oh, nice to meet you. Thank you. Hello.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Where are you from?
We're from the Isle of Wight
In the UK.
in the UK.
Wow. And you come here.
We're on the way
Your
to
place is
Guía.
beautiful. Huh? Your place is beautiful too. Yeah.
Do you know the Isle of Wight?
Yes, of course. Yeah, it's beautiful.
No.
Yeah, but I was traveling all around the world because I think traveling is the best way to to understand people, the culture and everything. Thank you for coming here.
Thank you for having me.
I'm sure that you will enjoy the tour. Thank you. Hello, how are you? Where are you from?
California.
California too? Where in California?
Near Sacramento.
Near Sacramento. Oh, I know this place. I will be there in 1988. Yes, I was in Sacramento, and I go to San Diego and then to San Francisco. You know, all the way in California. Why you come here?
Why?
Why do you? Yes.
Take a cruise to see around the world.
Okay, beautiful. Wow, beautiful. Thank you for coming. Enjoy your day. Thank you. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Bonjour. Where are you from?
Penticton, BC, Canada.
Where?
Penticton, BC.
Oh, okay, Canada. Sorry, I'm from Quebec. I'm sorry for that.
We're 400 kilometers east east of Vancouver.
Okay, east of Vancouver. Okay, we have to go by Vancouver to come here because we do Montreal, Vancouver, then San Francisco, and then Tahiti, you know? Okay, Vancouver, beautiful place too.
So when did you leave Canada? When did you leave?
I left Canada in 3 years ago. 3 years ago, but I was living there for 10 years. For 10 years, so I buy a house over there, and then I was in Quebec in July. This July because my grandson is 1 year old, so I want to be there for his birthday, you know. And yeah, it was
So you go back
magic.
often then?
Hey, yeah, sure. I already have. I booked my ticket for next year already. Thank you for coming. Enjoy your day. Okay, thank you. Hello.
Hello. Oh,
How are you?
we're good. Is the bus here?
Sorry?
Did she say the bus is here?
Yes, the bus is here.
bus is here.
So
Okay.
stop stalking now, okay? Everybody, the bus is there. Come on. Here we go. Et voilà, c'est parti pour un tour de l'île. Now we are ready for the island tour with all my people. Woo. Ah, on prend le guide en photo. Yes. Et voilà, on a pu rentrer pour visiter la présidence. C'est pas prévu dans les tours. It's not in the tour, but with Betty, the tour is not the same. Thank you, Paradise Tour. This is the way with Betty Guide. Go everywhere. And this is the Intercontinental Beachcomber. So you see the bungalow over there? The house on the beach?
Over there. Our son went to Bora Bora for their honeymoon
Ah, okay.
and had a foray on the water. It was amazing.
That's amazing.
So these boats that are anchored here, do they just belong to the guests?
No. This is people from anywhere. Yeah, anywhere. They can stay about 2-3 months sometimes. And some of them living only a year long. Yeah, in the boat. It is not amazing? Beautiful, huh? This is Tahiti. This is how the people think about Tahiti. And you know, in the back you have Montreal.
Yeah.
This beautiful island too. How are you, my people? Yes. Everybody say yeah. Yeah. All right. You know that? You can tell to your friends on the boat that you are the only one group go to see the white sand beach of Tahiti now. Yes, we are. Yes, I want to make a stop for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Don't waste your time. Go take a pictures, everything, and come back to the bus. Okay. So we're going now. If you want to drink,
Oh, this is fun, Ben.
What a beautiful place, huh?
What a beautiful place. Almost as good as Cronulla where we live. White sandy beaches in Australia.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, they're everywhere.
The Gold Coast.
Yeah, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Best
I love the Gold Coast. Yeah.
Yeah, good on
I've been, I've been all around the world, you know, with my work.
you. Yes. Which is good. It's the best way to travel around the world. Get someone else to pay for it.
Yeah, sure. And sometimes beautiful place with the street and everything. So, did you enjoy it? Thank you. You're welcome. Maururu. Et voilà, on est venu leur montrer la seule vraie plage de sable blanc de Tahiti. Et on repart tous ensemble en remerciant Mako, the best driver in town. Everybody, thank you Mako to coming back. Did you enjoy the white sun?
Oh yeah.
Yes. Ok, je vais les compter, hein. C'est comme ça que ça se passe. I have to count them. Attends, je vais compter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Everybody's here. Here we go. Thank you, Mako. Et voilà, mon équipe qui arrive pour aller visiter la grotte. Quelque chose, hein? Et voilà, j'ai essayé, je vais le faire grandir, c'est pas dans le tour. That's not in the tour, but you know, I want to let them see something. And there is a Jeremy in the tour, and Jeremy loves surf. So how can we do this tour without looking for this beautiful black sand beach? with Jeremy. Nous avons nos Cambodgiens ici qui prennent des photos sans arrêt. Give me, I will take a pictures. Yes.
So here there are no stonefish?
No stonefish here. No stonefish because you see there is no reef in your front. This is straight the Pacific. It is the Pacific Ocean in the front. Eh?
You can hear the rocks rolling.
Yes, wash machine, I told you.
That's what you get this from.
Exactly, wash machine.
It's all the rocks rolling down and rolling back up and
Exactly.
end up with black sand.
And then you the black sand, yeah. Voilà des touristes qui sont tout simplement heureux. People just happy and they enjoy something that all their friends from the boat never see. Toujours le premier.
Hey, bonjour.
Bonjour. This way. Et voilà une petite balade qui se prépare. Hey. Hi. Hey guys, this way, this way, this way. No, no, I'm joking. I'm joking.
You're a bad boy.
Yes, I know. You can see the waterfall. Here, help.
Ah, yes,
Here.
yes, yes, yes.
Gimana?
Okay.
You two and leader. Go on. You got to see the blowhole first.
Oh, today will be wow. Alors là, mesdames et messieurs, on les amène au trou du souffleur. Et j'ai ce monsieur là qui fait le malin depuis le début. On va lui donner une petite leçon tout de suite. Oh,
I love blowholes. I ride blowholes.
Oh,
I put my head inside blowholes.
You're a bad boy.
I'm a bad dude.
Okay, come on.
Come on.
No, you first. Come on. Okay, go this way. Here, just here. Yes, just here. Come on, here. Come on. Just here. No, here, this way. Here, just here. This is a blower hole. You see? This is a blower hole. You see?
I can see it.
Look at him in the eye. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the blower hole. Come on. You have to live the experience. Come on.
The blowhole. Yes, here.
Oh, it's just air that comes out.
Exactly. Go there. Yes, like this. Yes. Hey, this way. Take a video. Come on. You take a video. Keep your camera. Come here. I'm going filming you. Here, you must be there. This is this is the place you must be. Hello, come here. Yes. Blower hole. Okay, now we're gonna see why there is this phenomenon. It's just because there is no reef. There is no reef there, so the sea's coming and come to the rock, and there is like a tunnel, and there.
Australia like that.
Yeah. Come here. And you see, there is a pressure. The pressure is coming here from the wave. Look, this one. Whoa. Here. You see, the waters go inside the rock, and
Or lose the dress?
you want to see? Huh? Okay. Yeah. It's a fish, little fish. They come with the, and then they're going back to the sea. Yes, there is clam, there is crab, a lot of crab. Wasn't afraid about the blower hole. He was afraid about you.
It was very scary.
I get it.
You can see this is the South Pacific. After 200 meters, you go down to 5 to 8 kilometers. For the video, I will send you the video, okay, by mail. I'm just filming, so it's a souvenir for you from me. You're welcome. These guys, so cute. Be careful. This way. This way. Please, don't go this way, okay? This way, thank you. Not that way. Remember the story I told you about the vahine and the boat and the guys? You remember? It was there. Exactly here. Yes, this is the bay. Matavai Bay. Just here. This is the story. Moray is just in front of you, but the light is too... Maybe you can see. Under the patio over there. I'm sorry. You cannot see Moray, but... No problem. Huh? Yeah. I don't have the phone number.
But it seems like it's often enough under the clouds.
Yeah. Ah yes, you can see Montreal. Beautiful. In the morning. Oh. Every time in the morning, because you know the sun's coming from your back. Like this, and then you can... The light on Montreal is beautiful. Oh wow. Oh yeah. Yes. I love Montreal. You know, Montreal, for me, Montreal is more beautiful than Bora Bora. Really. Yes, beautiful. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I was very glad to be here with you today. I meet beautiful people from Australia, from Cambodia, from Canada, from many places. And I want to ask you a question.
Did you enjoy the trip today? Thank you very much. Please put your hands together for our driver, Paco. Thank you to travel with Paradise Tour. Thank you.